Individual awards. The first trophy for fair play. The team has shown the most sporting spirit and best behavior on the pitch. Gen Pact. I'd like to request Mr. Saurabh Chatterjee to come forward and kindly give the trophy to someone from Gen Pact. One of the players from Gen Pact here. Congratulations, Gen Pact. You've always been very friendly and sporting on and off the field. Moving on to the best goalkeeper of the tournament, we've had some stellar performances under the bar and some have proved to be match defining. There have been some keepers who are makeshift keepers, some who got injured but still kept on playing. But after the end of the tournament, I think the jury has decided the best goalkeeper for the inaugural Corporate Super Sixes goes to Abhishek Gangopadhyay from Congo. Mr. Mishra to kindly step forward and hand over the best goalkeeper trophy to Abhishek from Cognizant.
Go Congo! Go Cognizant!
Well done, Abhishek. Moving on to the top scorer. Now we've calculated the goals only from the knockout stages. That's 4 matches, pre-quarter, quarter, semis and finals. And we have Mr. Any guesses?
Yeah, number 10.
Yes, I think you're right. It's Mr. Imranur Rahman from Bangalore Design with a fantastic 7 goals. We have Mr. Renegi Singh and Mr. Acharya to come forward and give that award. Very well done, Mr. Rahman. 7 goals in 4 games, tight matches, well deserved. The golden boot goes back to Dhaka. Okay, the final individual award for the evening is the most valuable player. Now, someone who's had the biggest impact on his team's performance in the tournament. There were several contenders from mostly our finalists, but somebody who's proved to be that edge above the rest is Shakil from Bangalore Design. I request Mr. Jamshed Nasiri and Mr. Mehul to come forward. Very well done, Shakil. He's the midfield dynamo who controls proceedings in attack and defense as well. Congratulations to you. Before moving on to the gold plate winners and runners-up, I'd like to thank a few people and partners who really made this tournament happen. They've supported us in a very short span of time. Our media partner, the Telegraph, of course, always in constant support of sport in the city. Our radio partner, Friends FM, who've been running some really nice ads for teams to get to know about the tournament. Medical partners, AMRI Hospitals, and CSR partner, Artemis Fountain Foundation. Can we have a big round of applause for these partners of ours, without whom the tournament would not have been possible? Thank you. Well, coming to the final stage of this presentation party, we have the runners-up of the gold plate of the Corporate Super Sixes. I'll request Cognizant to come forward one by one to collect their medals. Very well played. They are a depleted team this time, but their fight never stopped. I'll request Mr. Mishra and Mr. Saurabh Chatterjee to kindly hand over the medals. Sir. Request Mr. Jamshed Nasiri and Ms. June Mali to kindly hand over the runners-up trophy of the gold plate to the captain of Cognizant. Can we have a big round of applause for Cognizant, please? Being a constant force in corporate football in the city.
Where's the sling, Nirmala?
Thank you.
Now for the final award of the evening, I'd request Mr. Naveen Mishra, Janeri Singh and Nirmal Chetty to kindly give away the medals to Bandu Design, our champions of the gold plate of the inaugural Corporate Sixes. If you could kindly collect your medals from Mr. Mishra, Mr. Chetri and Mr. Singh. Can we have a round of applause for them again? They played brilliant, flawless football throughout the tournament, all the way from Dhaka. And finally, the captain, Mr. Imranur Rahman, also the top scorer of the tournament. I'd request everyone to kindly come forward and hand over the winner's trophy to Bandu Design. Everyone, they deserve it. Captain Bandu, team, if you could just go down. Then we have the applause going for these guys. Amazing. Thank you everyone. With that we come to the end of the celebration party and hope we see this coming up next week. Thank you.
Sir, team picture.
He has to move out. Hey, Scott, just move there, move there, Puna, from this chair.
Mama, smile, Mama. Cheer up. V? V. Thank you. Thank you. Idan bond kar de. Wow, bond kar de. Cognizant and Bandu together. Yes, yes. Idan bond kar de. Chesh. Again. Face.